YouTube, what's good, man? Jordan here, back at y'all with another video. Before I get started, let me show y'all the bike. 2006 Honda CBR 1000 RR. This bike is a beast, man. But yeah, in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the GoPro hand mount versus the GoPro wrist mount for the GoPro. As a moto vlogger, you want to get the best shots possible. You can mount the GoPro many ways. You know, some of my other videos on Instagram, if you follow my Instagram, you'll find out what I'm talking about. Link to my Instagram will be below. But you want to mount the GoPro in ways where you can catch the velocity. You can mount a GoPro on the top of your helmet and you could do a $150, but it don't look like you're doing a $150. So I want to give a try with mounting the GoPro on my hand or on my wrist. And I have that here. I'm going to be doing a comparison. Now, one thing you got to keep in mind is that you want to get velocity in your videos. As far as, you know, so the viewers could tell, all right, he's going really fast. And if you see in my video before this, when I met up with my boys upstate, you could tell, like, I had the GoPro right here on my chin. But you know, the velocity to me wasn't there. But this video, I'm going to be showing you how it is with the GoPro mounted to your hand and mounted to your wrist. So hopefully in the future, as I ride with other people, I'll get better footage. And, you know, you'll be able to see the people in front of me and all that. So, you know, stay with me here and let me know what y'all think. Before you do anything, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, all right? Let's go. All right, so as y'all can see, I got the GoPro wrist strap mount, right? Now, you got to keep in mind, when you're using these straps, is while you got your hand, when you put your hand on the handlebar, your hand is also at an angle, as you can see. Now that means the GoPro is going to be at an angle as well. So the best thing you could do is try to slide the GoPro straight, and you know, and try to get the best stable footage that you can and straight footage that you can. So I'm gonna hit the road and let me know what y'all think. And y'all check out this guy right here. You know who this is. Where you coming from?
The city.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I see you.
Walking, I'm like, I didn't see your car over here. I'm like, oh, must be at Dad's. And then I just see you right here. I'm like,
yeah?
Got the bike.
Looking sharp though.
Yeah.
Chris Gardner.
Not yet.
Not yet. About to do this little review. I'm gonna get on the road. Hold on. I'm gonna get on the road and y'all let me know what y'all think, all right? Alright y'all, so that's the footage with the GoPro wrist mount. As you can see right here, while I was riding, I kept looking down to see if, you know, while my hands are slanted on the bars, to see if I'm still getting a good view, and I actually was. And I made sure I did that before I left. Actually, what I did was I have the GoPro app on my phone, and what I did was I connected my phone to the GoPro. Those of you who have GoPro, y'all know what I'm talking about. I connected my phone to the GoPro, and I looked, and I knew that I had the good view. I just wanted to make sure I had the perfect view while I was riding. So next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put on the GoPro hand strap, and I'm gonna also ride around, and you can see how it looks, like the angles and everything. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm about to go put that on. Yeah, so right now I got the GoPro hand strap on, right? You guys can see that right here. Difference between the hand strap and the wrist strap, obviously. You can see that it goes around the hand like so, right? So, like I was saying before, one thing you gotta keep in mind that when you're using a hand strap, you know, all my motorcycle riders, you know that your hand is gonna be slanted while you're riding the bike. See how it's slanted like that? So your hand's gonna be slanted, right? And the trick is to try to still get a good view while your hand is like that. So the good thing is it's gonna be hard to do this while holding the camera, but I'm gonna rotate it. So right now it's rotated a little bit, and I already mirrored it with my camera, with my phone, but I believe that it's gonna be a little slanted. All right, so right now I'm gonna get footage of the GoPro hand mount. So I'll be back with y'all shortly. Alright, so that's enough of that. Alright, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. That view right there was not the best view. That view right there was not the best view. Before I started, you know, I mirrored it like I told y'all what I did when I pulled off. I mirrored it on my phone, and it was crooked, but I tried to adjust it the best way I could also while I was riding. But as you guys can see, the footage is just crooked. It's along, the footage, the angle goes along with my hand. And you know, that is like the hand mount obviously is strapped to my hand, so you can't really do nothing about that. I know there's ways to put the video through other video editors and rotate it and all that, but I'm not about to do all that. That's a dub. I ain't got the patience for all of that at all. So obviously, if you want to compare the two, you know which one is better. If you need to hear me say it, the GoPro wrist mount is the better option, as in video, you know, recording, you know, your videos on a motorcycle. Better for moto vlogging. All right, how about that? The GoPro wrist mount is way better for moto vlogging. You can adjust it, you can slide it. If your hand's crooked, you can slide it on your wrist to make it straight. You know, the velocity is there. It's just an all better round, better experience for the viewers, that is. So that's all that I have for today's video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know, if y'all rock with me, give a thumbs up. If you don't rock with me, give a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, @SirWear will be in the description below. And thank y'all for watching. I really hope y'all like this video. I hope this makes other auto vloggers, you know, make a decision when it comes to buying a GoPro mount for the bike, you know, trying to achieve more footage. But I'm not just gonna completely down the hand mount, because maybe the hand mount is good for other things, like skiing or rowing, I don't know. But I just know, in my experience, it is not good for auto vlogging or motor vlogging. So that's just my take on it. I'm sticking to it, you know. And like I said, that's the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe, all right? I got plenty of things coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.